Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Welcome. If you're just tuning in, I appreciate you jumping in, stopping in, taking a view, and thanks for watching and following. Anyway, so first things first, I guess I just got this. It's the TETON water pack, and we're gonna open that up and we're gonna take a look and see what we got inside. So that is the pack. So, main reason why I got this is because I wanted to make sure that when I go camping, I have like a decent water supply. So this has an included hydration pack to it, which is right here. So that is a good sell point. So it comes with your bladder pack. And that fits right in the back here. So you have like a complete bladder compartment. So that is cool. It's totally isolated. And then you can zip that up. And the zipper doesn't come all the way down, so you know that is the bladder compartment, which is definitely a helpful thing. So then it has big open pockets on the back. Actually, this is like the midsection pocket. So that's in front of your water bladder. And then it's got the buckle here. So you can put some stuff here in the middle or the front. You have side pockets that you can actually, if you want a lot of water, you can put a water bottle easily in on the side like that. Then you have kind of like, I always call these like the gadget pockets because it's like right in front, super easy access, and like you can put your cell phone or any other little power supplies, backup batteries. It all has little pockets, so everything is like nice and self-contained. So it's got like these little hooks that you can put little gadgets on. It's got some elastic on the front that you can even mount some extra gear, like a small little blanket roll, whatever you need to. That snaps in place. And then on the front, I always like this because it has an adjustable chest strap that goes on that you can slide up and down. And it has the buckle on the front, and it has a little rescue whistle on here. So, kind of a little dry mouth today too, so that's probably not helping. But that is cool, and it has the vented pads on the back, so it doesn't rest completely flat on your back. So you do get some air movement here, as well as through this pad. And the straps as well, they have the large cushion and air vent on there as well. So that is like pretty awesome. It's got your little carrying handle here. So TETON Sports, very cool pack. It's not huge, it's not small, it's like, this is like the right size for like a day hike, a day pack, something maybe like overnight you could probably use it on as well. Zips up good. Now let's take a closer look at that water bladder that was in here, because I'm like super happy that it actually comes with one. So let's open this up. And again, another huge selling point, because you get a lot of packs and you got to buy like the water bladder separately. With this, it comes with it. If I can get it out of the plastic. All right, there we go. Okay, so that is your drinking straw. So it even has marked on it. Oh, and it comes sealed, which is great. So let me see if I can't get this plastic off. Seems like I'm challenged with the plastic wrappers this morning. So anyway, that is your open and close. And then it's a bite valve, so you have to kind of like bite down on it and then suck at the same time. So that way it starts the water flow. And then it's got this little protecting string on it. So you can see how that opens up when you bite down on it. So that's pretty cool. I've used these quite a bit before, especially trekking around like Disney. I actually use a day pack there that has a water bladder. So that's very cool. And then this opens up. super wide, so you can actually fill that with a bunch of ice cubes and then put water down inside that as well. And so it looks like this is a 2-liter or 72 ounce. So that definitely will get you through the day for sure. With a hot day, you probably need some more, but just on a regular hike, that's actually good. And I love the wide mouth on that, so you can put ice in there. So the other cool thing I found out about like these hydration packs is that when you do fill them with ice, the hydration pack sits in the back of this one, and you'll be cool. You'll actually feel the ice and the coolness of that coming right through. Coolness, is that a word? I'm not sure, but it comes through the pack, so it helps keep your back cool while you got the ice and water in it. So that was like a little hidden benefit that I really haven't heard anybody talk about on a lot of these different like camping channels. But yeah, awesome. And like I said, that fits right down here in the back. I'm not even going to attempt to put this in with it not folded in there, but anyway, nice and good for storage. But yeah, what a great pack. And it has like all these little extra hooks. That's reflective material. You can kind of see that through the lens a little bit. But that's your pack. Awesome pack. Okay.